Evaluate the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. If you're given a matrix that looks like this, 2 by 2 standard, and you're being asked to find the determinant of that, it's actually pretty simple. You just take A times D, so the top left times the top right, minus the top right times the bottom left. So BC. So in this case, the determinant is going to be -4 times -3 minus 4 times -5. So we're looking at 12 plus 20 is 32. So that's your determinant. And basically what the determinant does is lets you know if you can take the inverse matrix. And if you couldn't take the inverse matrix, your determinant would be 0. Well, our determinant's 32, so we could take the inverse of whatever matrix this is. And if you're like, what's the inverse? Next video, and you'll find out.